friends, I am Dr. Tanushri, pediatric hemato-oncologist. So today I will discuss about a very important topic, sickle cell disease. So sickle cell disease is basically disease is prevalent in India. Millions of people are affected by this disease all over the world, mostly in Africa, Mediterranean Sea, and also in India, in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and northeastern states. Tribal population is mostly affected. So the most common symptoms of sickle cell anemia are mostly anemia, which is fatigue and weakness, and there, because of the sickle cell, there will be pain crisis. There will be pain. The child will have pain in the hands, feet, or pain abdomen can be there. And it can also affect the vital organs, like in the brain it can cause stroke, in the kidney it can cause kidney damage, it can cause eye damage also. So awareness about this disease is very important. So at neonatal age, a neonatal screening can be done to know which person is affected from this disease. It can be of two types. One is the carrier state, when there is no symptoms, and other when the person is affected. So how do we manage this disease? Initially, the management is, first of all, we will try to prevent the disease by creating awareness among the patient, among people. Blood transfusion is required only when there are pain crisis or the hemoglobin has dropped. One drug is there known as hydroxyurea, which prevent pain crisis and which is important. So this hydroxyurea can be started as early as 9 months of age. So sickle cell disease patients should get hydroxyurea, should be taking hydroxyurea tablets. Along with that, folic acid supplements has to be given. So to cure that disease, hematopoietic stem cell transplant is the option. In that, where we can cure the disease, allogenic hematopoietic stem cell transplant has to be done to cure the disease. So awareness among people is very important to eradicate this disease.